done your research and you've updated your vision board. You've watched so many videos that you are almost an expert on the different communities, builders, pre-owned homes. You know the square feet, the floor plans. You got it all under control. You have so many options. But that can be the easy part. The part that's not so easy is realizing which community you want to live your life. And in this video, we're going to cover and discover the newest builder in the premier planned community of Wildflower Ranch in Justin, Texas. Are you ready? Now, in your research, I am sure you have everything under control, almost to the very detail. We're talking the color of paint you want on your bedroom wall. Well, if you're like most people, at some point, no matter how perfect your home is, because it's going to be the best one in the county, we realize that, you're going to want people to leave your home and go and explore. We're going to cover the things you can do in and around the premier planned community of Wildflower Ranch. And this will not be a documentary. So I'm not going to cover everything that you can do around your community. I'm going to give you a little teaser and we'll discuss more about Wildflower Ranch later. And we're going to also take a close look at one of Coventry Homes' model homes. Now, disclaimer, it's a model home. So it's going to have the whistle, the bells, the glitz, and the glamour. But this will give you an idea of what you can get with Coventry Homes. And I want this to be an interactive video. I want you to participate. Let me know what you like, you don't like, what you would change about Coventry Homes when we take the tour. But first, let's take a look at the things you're going to do around your area. I think one of the beauties of living in Wildflower Ranch is its location. It's very convenient to just hop on our freeways to get to almost anywhere you want to go in and around our DFW Metroplex. You would leave your community, get on Highway 114, which connects to I-35. And I-35 is a major thoroughfare in our area. You're going to either travel north or south on I-35. So if you're traveling south on I-35, it will eventually connect to a number of different freeways that will take you about 42 miles from home to the city of Dallas. And let's face it, you're not moving to Wildflower Ranch, you're not moving to DFW Metroplex without traveling to Dallas at least once. Dallas is a hop-in place to be if you want action. Very cosmopolitan, a lot you can do in the city of Dallas. And when you get exhausted from all the fun, then you're going to come back home. Now, coming back home is where you're going to, get your peace and respite from all that busyness. But maybe you still want to get out and have fun. Of course you do. Try the big city of Fort Worth, which is only 25 miles away from home. And Fort Worth is where we celebrate our Western heritage. And there's so much to tell you about Fort Worth that I'm just going to give you a snippet to just let you know that it's just as sophisticated as Dallas, just on a smaller version. This is where you're going to see so much rich history and heritage right there in the city of Fort Worth. Now, let's say you want to do something a little closer to home. Well, you've got some options. Right down the street, it's probably less than, 5-minute drive, is Texas Motor Speedway. So if you like the NASCAR vibe, you have the need for speed, well, just drive on over and enjoy Texas Motor Speedway. And across the street from Texas Motor Speedway is Buc-ee's. And if you know, you know. And the state of Oklahoma is less than an hour north from home. And even closer than closer to home is your community. Let's check out what you can do there. If this is your first time to this channel, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. There are so many things that you can explore and enjoy, have fun in your very own community of Wildflower Ranch. You can walk, run, jog, walk your pooch, push a stroller on a number of different paths and trails throughout the neighborhood. You will absolutely enjoy relaxing at the Lazy River Pool, and they are planning to build a second swimming pool for you and your neighbors to enjoy. Speaking of building more things to enjoy, they have plans. I mean, if you drive there, you can already see the construction of a second amenity center. Now, you know what all this means? The people who live and enjoy inside your home can also enjoy outside of your home. You'll thank me later. Wildflower Ranch is projected to have about 3,100 homes, and right now they're right around the 900 home mark, which makes right now a great time to pick your lot, pick your view, grow equity, and create wealth while living in your home. Coventry Homes has been building new homes in Texas since 1988 and has earned a stellar reputation of extraordinary quality and design. Oh, and as we tour this Coventry home, I want you to be an active participant. Comment and let me know which features you like best, what you may change. Does this house feel like home? With that said, let the tour begin. Coventry Homes offers stunning exterior designs using multiple elements like wood, brick, stone, which makes the facade of your home both exceptional and beautiful. The interior design, it will not disappoint. Wait until we step inside. The wow factor, the first thing you'll notice, is the elegant entry with dramatic ceilings and staircase that makes a statement. Now let's talk about standard versus upgrade. This is a model home, so there are a few. We can start by the engineered oak wood flooring. Now standard, you have ceramic tile, which of course you can have that look like wood. And that's a conversation to have during your design center consultation. What I like about this space is that it's highly functional kitchen, allowing you to maximize every opportunity to store and hide knickknacks, appliances, and other kitchen essentials. And not to state the obvious, it's beautiful. You'll notice these cabinets, they're 42 inches tall, that's a standard, and the crown molding around the tops of the cabinets really pull them together to make them look complete. Now those glass fronts, as nice as they look, that may be another conversation to have during your design center meeting, and you can determine if those glass fronts are worth any upgrade that may come along with it. Look at all the pull-outs in this kitchen for additional surprise storage that I know you will appreciate. And just when you think it doesn't get any better, it does. Look at the additional storage in your butler's pantry. And of course, right behind you is your walk-in pantry. Now there's a lot of storage in this kitchen area and a lot of seating options. You have the island with multiple seating. You have your casual dining, a beautiful window seat that overlooks your backyard. Speaking of which, this is a perfect spot for a cup of coffee or friendly cookout, and it's friendly because it would be a friendly gesture for you to invite me to your cookout. Now let's talk about standards when it comes to Coventry Homes here in Wildflower Ranch. These are just a few of the standard features. You will have a fully sodded yard front and back, a full irrigation system. You will have a professionally designed landscape package with some of our native to Texas plants, drought resistant, and you will absolutely appreciate that when our summer months hit. But now let's head over to probably the area of the home that's most important to you, your primary escape, your beautiful primary suite. And your relaxing spa-like bath. And there's so many great things to say about this bath, but I have a feeling you know features of a bathroom and you'll just enjoy looking at it by yourself. Now, one thing I like to point out, because I just have fun doing this, is when you have the laundry room, as you'll see in this closet. Because what I hear sometimes is people feel like, oh, it's kind of creepy. People can come into my private space. Please, this is a laundry room. This is going to be one of the most private areas in the entire house. No one's coming in there other than you. But if they do, they can come in through the hallway. And across the hall from the laundry room is a really nice, secluded guest suite. And down the hallway, you'll have a full bath. And this is really close to the guest suite, so it almost feels like an ensuite, but it's not, because it's not enclosed. Your home office has double doors with a single purpose. Close out the distractions so you can focus. Oh, did I mention that the first level doors, the interior doors, are all 8 feet tall? And Coventry Homes, I want to let you know this, offers a 3-year whole home energy usage guarantee. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can get a lot online because you've done your research. You know about square feet, bedrooms, baths, even the price of the homes. But what you may not be able to really uncover is how people live their lives in our different cities, communities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car, I drive around so you can get a bird's eye view of what people really do and how they live in our different areas. And if you like that VIP access, be in the know of what's going on, then subscribe below, press the bell, and you'll be notified anytime anything goes down in and around our DFW Metroplex. And whether you're thinking about moving in 7 days or 7 months, comment below, grab one of those one-on-one consultation links so we can do a one-on-one and better discover where you want to live your life here in our Metroplex. Now, back to the video. If you're buying a home with nearly 4,000 square feet, that means that you probably have a few other people with you. And with this game room and media room upstairs, well, that means it'll be a little quieter downstairs. Now, I do like the fact that there is a restroom right between the media and the game room. So really, there's no reason for your guests to wander. I mean, they've got space right there so you can keep all of your private areas private. Now, let's say you do have a home of this size, then chances are you have students. And if you do, your students will attend the highly respected Northwest Independent School District. Now, this study desk, you can play a game. Put something on the desk. If it hasn't been moved, then that desk hasn't been used. You might want to look online and check out grades. I mean, just kidding. Well, not really, kinda. But here is your first bedroom with a nice closet upstairs. In this bathroom, give me your opinion. Tell me what you think. I want some comments. What do you think about the configuration of this bathroom? I mean, it's really close to your first bedroom, but it also connects through these doors to a second bedroom with this, closet, the whole nine. It's not what I would describe as an ensuite because it's not totally private, and it's not quite a Jack and Jill because the other bedroom doesn't connect with the bathroom. It's just an interesting concept to me. What are your thoughts? However, if you are looking for an ensuite, well, here you go. It's up to you to decide who has earned this level of privacy where they are really enjoying their own bath. Oh, and a quick FYI, Coventry Homes uses Board Care pest control system that applies materials directly into the wall to minimize any direct exposure to families and their pets. Now for your recap of this home. This is the Lockhart plan with 3,769 square feet and a 3-car garage. I don't know if you've noticed it, but it has a brick paved covered porch. And the 8-foot stained doors, the wood doors, that's all standard. And here are a few more important facts that you need to know if you are thinking about Coventry Homes, building your dream home in Wildflower Ranch. Well, let's just talk about the different floor plan options you have. Coventry Homes offers 3 single-story plans and 6 two-story plans. Now, let's talk about square feet, the size of the home, because this may be the perfect size for you, or it may be too little, it may be too small, almost like Goldilocks. We want something for you that is just right. So let's talk about what you can choose in terms of square feet. Coventry Homes can offer you a home at about a little more than 2,500 square feet, all the way up to about 3,800 square feet. And price? Well, I thought you'll never ask. Price will range, and this is an introductory price. This is just base model. You are in a home. So the price range would start at about $495,000, but it can go up to about $610,000. Well, this is the part where I remind you the price is subject to change. Well, let's say you found the perfect floor plan and you're ready to lock and load. And it looks as though you can get in this home for about $650,000. We'll just throw that number out there. That's the introductory price. Now, you know yourself. If you have upgraded taste, premium taste, then you will pay an upgraded price, a premium price for your home. So that $650,000 plan might end up being over $700,000. But here's the good news. Now, because they are building in 2 different phases, you're able to pick your lot. So you don't want to sit on the sidelines and wait for those opportunities to just dissipate, and now you're left with the scraps. Well, not the scraps because they're all really nice, but you know what I mean. You don't have the pick of the view that you might want to see every day when you come home. And although I couldn't go over every feature, upgrade, and standard, well, that's why we're going to do a one-on-one consultation. That's a lot to cover. So grab one of those Zoom links and we can go over the details of what is considered standard and what's going to be considered upgrade and what you could really live without to watch your budget. And no matter how much I enjoy showing you these homes and giving these tours, I would enjoy even more if you allow me to represent you during your transition, during your move to your next place. And yes, you do still need representation even when building a brand new home. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our DFW Metroplex. And if you're thinking about building your life in Wildflower Ranch and you have Coventry Homes on your list, comment below. Grab one of those one-on-one consultation links so we can better discover if Wildflower Ranch and Coventry Homes is the best combination for you to create your new memories and call home.